Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and this is part 3 about character mapping or glyphs. And this is a Wingding font in Wingdings. You can see it's in Wingdings 3. But you could just draw it, and the person I was really originally trying to help was talking about it and how to draw that. Pretty easy. Take a rectangle. If we want the exact size, you could do it the exact size, but we're going to make it about that big. Then we're going to, with our ratio lot, we're going to do this like 2 inches. Not enough, make it 3. You can't go too many. So we're actually going to have to elongate this a little bit. And then take a 2-point line and just start moving, hold down your control button, and then move that wherever you want it, however long you want these lines to be. That'd be good enough right there. And then just take your virtual segment delete key and delete that. This is still a line. So now we can take this line and make it that 1/4 inch thick. Well, we actually need to make it a little thicker. Let's make it a 1/2 inch thick. And then go right here to your arrows and put an arrow on it. Actually put it on the other side. You have 2 arrows. There's another one right there. Now, if you notice that my arrows are different, quite a bit different. And also I didn't do a very good job of making it longer. But to make that look more like this arrow, just go to Object and convert the outline to an object. And when you do that, then you can get your nodes and you could move this up, start moving and hold down your control button, and you can make that same kind of shape. Now, I messed it up and didn't have it equal to the one that's original, but you can kind of see that. And we could probably fix that by grabbing all those nodes, start moving and hold down the control button, and have it go to the bottom of that, and you still got it. So this is the text. Now we've changed it to a object now, so we don't have any really outline to make it thicker, but we could have done that at the start. And I just noticed I'm a little bit off on my center here. So one way you could do that is take a 2-point or a guideline, and you can see how much I'm off. Get your shape tool and just grab that node and put it there. And now you're more equal and more like the original. Anyway, I hope that answered their question. Thank you for watching.